akasema mimi ni mjeuri. Ati mimi naonika Kenya mbele ya wazungu. Mimi nikasema sikuli kwa mtu, mimi nakula kwa mama Gachagua, naweza sema ile iko. Rais, tulipata matatizo mengi. And through prudent management, through well thought out economic interventions, we have started seeing signs of economic recovery. One of the clearest signs of economic recovery is that the end of the 2022-2023 financial year, by the closure of the financial year on 30th June midnight, your government had disbursed the last penny to the county governments, and we don't owe them a cent. Similarly, all the 290 constituencies had received their funds. There are challenges, yes, but that is a clear sign that the president has put the country on the right trajectory of economic revival. Kwa hivyo rais, tutaendelea kukuunga mkono, and this being your ambassadors, pia tunaomba nyinyi viongozi mutakuwa ambassadors wa serikali na wa rais.